Well, I had to take out my jacket for this one. This is a serious one, guys, right? This service, watch now. It take me a long time to get something up and running like this, Remember, I've been in this market since 2019. And guys, taking copy and paste signals is a difficult task. Some of the things being affected is the stop losses and the people they get the signal from. Um, the results is not there, and I have been testing this on a weekly basis, right? To show you all I have something good here for you to consider, right? Um, I'm gonna show you exactly how easy it is. So we're talking about copy paste forex signal. You on the service to receive it, let's say you take it, it's $500 for 2 weeks. All right. I'm going to put you onto a program on the US session. You're going to receive an alert to either buy or sell a currency pair. And this is for the persons who already take the training if you're brand new, or this is for the experienced traders out there. You all know how copy and paste program works. The consistency behind most of them is not there. All right. I have a gold mine opportunity here, right? And advising all experienced traders to reach out to me as well. And I have something for you to test out. I have something, right? So I want to share some information about our Forex copy and paste program. Looking at the flyer here, you're trading with confidence, right? You're coming in, you're going to get an alert, you're going to go to your broker, select the pair, do an execution of the trade idea, whether it be a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity, right? And it's really that easy. We live in a time now with the strategy that I'm using, you don't need to bring your stop loss to entry. Long time you had to kind of rush to your phone to see if your trade play off, your TP1 hit for the experienced traders and they want to bring a stop loss to entry. Guys, you don't need to do that because the ideas are swing trades, right? So I know a lot of people gonna be excited because this is something to be excited for. You don't need to have experience anymore, guys. You take the copy paste program, try it out for 2 weeks. Let me get a feedback from you, right? All the trades are being monitored. So copy paste updates. You take the trade today, you don't have to check your phone. Tomorrow, your session are back in the game. I send an alert, you get an alert whether a TP1, TP2 hit. You're not even looking to close the trade. You understand? You're leaving the trade idea, right? So that's one way to approach it. You don't need any more to bring in stop loss to entry points. So we do the markup, you let it play out, whether it's either hit the stop loss or entry point or the take profits, right? High probability setups. Guys, check the pin videos on my TikTok, right? Tell me what you think about it. Trading at the lowest lot size 0.01. So you're coming into this space, you want to take the service, you're asking yourself how much money you need to start with. If you're leveraging 1 to 1,000 with your broker, you could do a 500 or a 1,000, right? If you want to do a proper way or to approach it properly, get a $2,000 account and take my trades consistently at 0.02 right through Monday to Friday. US session in our country is before lunchtime within that area, right? And we're looking at the scope possibly in 8 a.m. all the way to about 12. Look out for alert there around that time. So again, I'll add it to our service and you will be notified of the alerts to take the idea. That eliminates you having to trade on your own. And you want to be consistent. You want to leave this account for this program alone. And tell me what you think about it in 2 weeks. In 2 weeks, guys. That's all I'm asking for. Right? Everybody like less risk to more rewards. I mean, I don't vex with you. I like that too. But you had to cater for your losses. That's why you do a proper account size so you could come back with an next trading idea. Right? In just 2 weeks, guys. Let me know. Daily updates. You do how to sweat it. Take the idea, go about your business. Do your work normal, your chores. You do how to study that, right? So I explained in the video with the training how we get the money to the account and how we get the money out. TT, digital wallet to broker, execute trade ideas, you in profits, you withdraw to your digital wallet and we sell to get TT. This is our convenient service, right? 500 TT, 2 weeks, guys. You can't go wrong. So we're going to dive into some technical work here with a peer that I recently sent out, right? And I want to show you how this is really structured for the experienced persons out there. I'm going to show you how the chart work. All right. I'm a number here on the screen. You could call me to find out some information about the copy and paste program. This is for people who do have time to trade, but you want to get a service to take an idea. This is it. So I'm going to pull up an idea here, right? And this is the idea here, right? It's gonna be like this. You're gonna get a currency pair like USD CHF, buy now at the price. You're gonna get your take profit one, your take profit two, your take profit three, right? One set of stop loss you're working with on the three positions, right? If you're doing a $2,000 account, 0.02. Keep that in mind. This is for long term. This is not a short term thing. A man coming and scalping and stuff like that. You have a long term plan working for you. I'm not saying it risk free, but it's something that I see consistently results, having consistent results with this copy and paste program, right? So we're gonna look at the charts and that's gonna pull up a chart quickly here. TP1 already hit. So I'm going to I have a free WhatsApp group. You could always reach out to me to be part of the WhatsApp group. So you could have a little understanding as to what's happening. Gonna pull up media here, right, on the WhatsApp group that I would have sent last night. Let me see. Right, go to message here. And I'm gonna open up. Right, so this is exactly what happened in the account. All right, and I'm gonna explain to you what took place here. So this was a USD CHF. You see the signal here, execution order, right? TP1 hit $12.30 secured. Currently at that time it was in profits going towards the TP2. So remember I tell you, execute the trade and leave it. Don't put no stop loss to entries. Either go to the profit zone or it hit your stop loss. So always invest money at the end of the day that you could afford to lose when trading the financial markets as well, right? It's something we're trying, guys. You had to really test it out to know how it's working, and you had to be consistent in taking all the ideas, just like how um I have shown you the results. So you can check the pinned video on TikTok. You have a better understanding. I showed you 1 week results trading at 0.01. So we're going to look at this idea. This was a screenshot here, and this is some information here, right? So we're going to go to the charts and see where the trade is at currently. So this here is the official trade idea for USD CHF. And I want the experienced traders to look at this as well. Share it, guys. Share this video. Let people be aware of what's happening with the copy and paste program. There's two things could have happened here. A lot of people is be a little frightened to lose their money, based on the lot size again. You come in, you try to play the game safe in the markets. You have a big account, that doesn't mean to say you're risking all the money in the account in one trade. You're doing a 0.01 or 0.02, right? Based on your account. So if you have a 500, 1,000, 2,000, do 0.02 with the 2,000 and let the trade ideas play out. So right now, I'm going to tell you what happened. This here is the stop loss. I'm going to point out to you the pips and movement. The stop loss, if you have $100 account, you have to be very careful taking these ideas because you could take some hits and you might not be able to get back in with $100, providing they do 0.01. So you're risking $6 here to make $3 in your first TP if you have $100 account. So let me say it goes south. It hit your stop loss, you lost $6 on the trade idea. That is with one position. If you open two position, like TP1 and TP2, you're risking now $12 at 0.01, right? Now your earnings now is going to be different. you have two position open, you're gonna earn, if your TP2 hit, you're gonna make $6. So here's at a 1-to-1 ratio, right? You make $6 and you're risking $6. The first one is be risky because you're risking more to make less, right? TP1. So it's secure. TP1 hit. You all saw the picture there, and it's TP1, right? TP1 hit here. No, you're leaving your idea to play. Right now, it's still in profits, but let me show you something here. If somebody go against what I'm telling you to do, and you bring your stop loss to entry, look at this here, guys. Let me just zoom in here. The market wick back to the entry. If your broker spreads are high, you could have been knocked out of the trade here, right? At the entry point. So you don't want that to happen. You leave the idea is either it make a win or it make a loss based on the stop loss and your take profit levels. All right. And immediately it went back up. You know, our next candle wick on the opposite direction towards the TP2. And that could have even take off the TP2 and it could have been earning some profits there and a take profit too. So leave it, let it roll out, and you're gonna see some results, guys. I want you all to give me a feedback. So I explain it now. That's TP1 and 2, how much you're risking. Like $12 you would have been risking on $100 if you leverage 1 to 1,000. Right? If you're doing the three positions, it increases your risk. Also, it increases your profit levels. So which means you're risking now 6 by 6 by 6, right? Like $18 you're risking on one trade idea. If you're doing $100, it could be very difficult for you to take a hit and come back with an next trade idea the following day that I will be sending an alert. Now, the alert that I sending, that doesn't mean to say that idea go in profit as well. That could take a stop loss. You understand? So like 18 by 2 you have a losing strike on $100 account. So you do take the three position on 100. You take either two position and call that George, right? But if you could afford a $500 account or 1,000, your chances will be greater. To even make it better, do the $2,000 account and take the service, right? Take the service for 2 weeks or so and give me your feedback. Give me your feedback. So now, if you have three positions open on the right account size, you're risking yes $18, but your reward is going to be more. I did some videos on TikTok with a USD card. You know, I explained if you had leave the trade open, it would have hit the TP3. Right? If somebody bring it to the break even, it would have cut off the trade and it would not get that TP3. TP3 is where the money flows, right? You're risking now $60 to make, $6 at 0.01 to make $13, right? So your reward is going to be more. So let me say the three TPs hit here now. That is some good money you're making. You're making $13 trading at 0.01. $13 on TP3, you're making $6 on TP1 and $3. All right, so let me explain it back. In TP3, you're gonna make $13 trading on TP 0.01, and TP2, you're gonna get $6 trading at 0.01, and TP1, you're gonna get $3 trading. So that's a lot of money if the trade idea plays off, right? It makes you survive a next hit from a next idea if the case be. So you're playing with profits. And you don't have to worry about all them things. Because all you had to know, you have your account ready and you're ready to take the signals. And you take it consistently every day, Monday to Friday. Check my pin video on TikTok and let me know what you think. The lot sizes was at 0.01. So this is a brief explanation of the copy and paste signal. You don't even have to worry about looking at your phone for no updates and things. You take the signal today, and basically, as I showed you, the signal will be sent out like this. USD CHF buy at the price. Remember, this stuff is going to be explained on the training course. So that I tell people, hey, brand new, coming in, take the training and take the 2 week signal. It's not no set of money that other institutions and stuff out there that they charge a certain money. It's something affordable that it will be beneficial to you, right? So this is how it's gonna be. And basically, you just execute the trade idea and you leave it for the following day. I'm gonna come back now and update you all if the TP was hit or the stop loss, right? And then we look for some more ideas. So this is a quick video in understanding the Forex copy paste signals. $500, 2 weeks. Experienced traders reach out to me. I have something for you to test out. All right. So, guys, I hope this brought a lot of information to you regarding the Forex copy and paste service. You all could always reach out to me directly. My number is on the screen and on WhatsApp as well.